Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing, another subscription box for October. Before of that, thank you so much for stopping by again. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I really appreciate each one of you, and also thank you so much for your support. For this video I will have my Look Fantastic for October. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes that I will try to keep as long they will have it. So this month we get a green box with gold and black, or it's a dark green anyway. It's the same size as usually. It's a subscription that comes from UK. If you subscribe to get a membership, an annual membership, you get this with $16 per month. Other than that, it's 19. Even if you subscribe for a year, you're gonna pay each month, not the 12 months at once. So I think it's a great box for the price. I have it on my channel every month, and I have the advent calendar from them. So let's go ahead and see what we have for October. And as usual, it comes with the booklet, and all the time I'm looking on the back to see what products come, what is the product, one of the products that are coming next month. And we're gonna have mellow pen eyeliner in black in the next month box. Also we have in here all the information about the products that are in the box, and many other details. So here is the box inside, as usual with the Elle magazine, which I never read. This time we have Selena Gomez, Young and Pretty, as usually. I will let this one away. Here is the box inside. It's a very light box this month. Comes with their logo, the sticker, and a green tissue. So let's go. Here is the box inside. Couple products in here. So let's go ahead and see what we have. And of course, I picked up the purple product, which is this one. And this one is from Pry Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. This one comes with 50 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounces. Is this guy right here. And about this one, Pry, it's called Pray Throat and Décolletage Cream. Did you know your neck ages faster than your face? Well, this #1 selling cream is going to be an absolute lifesaver. The weightless, fast absorbing formula improves creepy screen, double chins, droppy jaws, and turkey necks with visible results in just 7 days. The ingredients of mulberry, saxfrage, and grapeseed extracts combine to brighten and diminish age spots and discoloration with shea butter. Apply in gentle upward strokes for 2 a.m. and p.m. When applying, do not overly massage your neck, as it can strain the skin. So is this tiny guy in 50 milliliters, a neck cream, and I'm always happy to get one of them. Then we have a Mono Skin, and this one is Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex for combination skin with marine collagen and vitamin E. This one comes with 30 milliliters, and is this one. About this one, refresh and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. This lavish treatment ensures you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin. Containing marine collagen and polysac something. The complex revitalizes your complexion, fine lines and smooth out, firmness and restored, and signs of aging are prevented. After cleansing and toning, massage into face and neck every night, using gentle upward movements. As you sleep, your skin ability to absorb active ingredients peaks and your skin cell regeneration power is higher, so always use night treatments. So a night cream. Then we have in here from Dr. Lip, and each there are two products. I got the elderberry pigment, and there is one more in here. Probably each one of us will get a different one. This is the lip elderberry lip tint which I got, or the original nipple balm for dry skin, a global cool beauty staple designed to leave lips soft and smooth with a high gloss finish. Originally created as a nipple balm for a breastfeeding woman, it became an essential amongst top celebrity makeup artists to create extra long-lasting lip gloss and priming before makeup. Use this either to relieve chapped lips or to intensify moisturized areas of dry skin, like the cuticle. So you can use it on your cuticle also. Squeeze out the product onto your fingertips and use them to spread out on your lips for glossy moisture. Apply a small amount of the product to a small lip brush and use this to neaten and sharpen the edges of your eyebrows. If you receive the elderberry lip tint, which is this one, use this to lightly tint your lips for a natural stain look. So I didn't got this before. I got the second one, and here is the second one. So a lip product. Then we have in here from Pixie, which is this product. We have a blush, and this one is Beach Rose. Here is the product, and I will swatch this one for you. Fresh Face Blush. This natural blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion with its own tone color. This cooled brand focuses on creating pure and botanically infused formulas that give skin a radiant and fresh appearance. Enhance your own natural beauty with this Fresh Face Blush. I'm trying to find something to open this. I have it. Lightly dust this blush across the apples of your cheeks and across your nose for a glowing. I can get rid of that. For on your cheeks and across your nose for a glowing and sun-kissed appearance. So here is the shade of this one. And it's a very natural shade. I hope you can see this one on the camera. So pretty nice. Pixie, it's always nice. Then we have in here an Ahava product, and this is the mineral body lotion from the water line. This one comes with 40 milliliters, which is 1.3 fluid ounces. Love Ahava, especially their hand cream smells amazing. About this one, mineral body lotion. This incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water, rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium, increase skin's moisture level, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourish your dry, itchy skin and provide refresh hydration in a fast-absorbing formula that will not leave skin greasy or sticky. Apply generously on clean skin after a bath or shower. Perfect to use when the weather is getting a little cooler, when your skin starts to get a little dry or flaky in the winter. So a great body cream. And the last product in here, we have a mask. It's from Talika Paris. Bubble Mask Bio Detox, which is this one. About this one, transform your skin with the Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox, an innovative foaming charcoal mask that contains thousands of nourishing microbubbles. On contact with skin, the formula effectively detoxify, hydrates, and unclogs blocked pores to banish all impurities, revealing clear, bright, and glowing skin. Unfold the mask and lay it on clean, dry face. A fine, dense form will form after 10 minutes. Take off the mask. Massage the foam on your face and rinse. We'd recommend doing a face mask 2-3 times a week and always moisturize afterwards. So that's the last product in the box. So far we have a face mask, we have a body cream, it's a deluxe sample, we have a neck cream which I'm very excited about, a lip gloss, a blush from Pixie, and the night cream from Mono Skin, which is this one. So far this is the box for Look Fantastic for the month of October. Can't wait to see the next month too. Let me know as usual what do you think about Look Fantastic and their boxes. So far I'm okay with this month box. I'm excited about the neck cream, which I love to get in boxes. I'm using the Strivictin right now, and I'm using that for a long time. Always open to try new products. This is the box for October. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon with another unboxing, because as I showed you in a picture, in a video before, I have a good amount of boxes. Also, I'm waiting for more calendars, and I will have a haul in a couple more videos. No reviews for the next weeks, probably after, or by the retirement I will do those too. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Thank you for subscribing to my new subscribers. You have an amazing day or night. Bye bye.